Dear darling, I want to talk to you about something that will shape your whole life if you hold it close to your heart. Who you are. The world will try very hard to define you by your grades, your talents, your mistakes, your popularity, or even your struggles. But before the world ever spoke a word over you, God already did. Your identity is not something you have to earn or invent. It is something you receive. You are not a blank page waiting for the world to write your story. You are a child of the Most High God. That is who you are first and always. Before achievements, before failures, before anyone else's opinion, God calls you His own. The Bible reminds us of this truth so clearly. In John 1:12, it says that all who receive Him are given the right to become children of God. That means your value doesn't rise or fall with how well you perform or how others treat you. You belong. You are chosen, loved, and redeemed, not because of what you do, but because of who He is. I want you to remember this, especially when the world tries to put labels on you. Some voices will try to tell you that your worth comes from being impressive, popular, or perfect. Others may try to define you by your mistakes or weaknesses, but none of those voices get the final word. God does. And He says, you are His beloved child. There's a beautiful truth in knowing that your identity is secure. You don't have to strive to prove yourself or fear being forgotten. You can walk with confidence, humility, and peace because your life is anchored in something unshakable. When you know who you are in God, the world loses its power to define you. My prayer for you is that when confusion comes, you will return to this truth. I belong to God. I am loved. I am His child. Let that truth guard your heart and guide your steps all the days of your life. With all my love, Mom.